Good morning and welcome to the weather from Synergy. My name is Jason Bryce. I'm just going to bring you up to scratch with the weather for the following week, and we're also going to have an additional sporting forecast for the weekend. So there are many sporting events happening in the UK, and the Tea in the Park forecast coming up next week for those who are going out and partying and such a special weekend. Okay, general picture just now is we've had high pressure, it's been holding and it's been giving us lovely sunny weather. June was an amazing month in Scotland, temperatures between 2, 3, 4 degrees above average in Scotland, so it was really good month. It's changing today. We've seen low pressure coming in from the west with quite an active weather front on it, and it's going to produce a lot of wind, a lot of rain in the west for the first thing across the country. So we're going to move southwards and eastwards, and it will still be lingering around the southeast tomorrow, Saturday, so maybe a bit of a wet start to Wimbledon. After that, what we're seeing is the low pressure area filling a little bit, but quite a few frontal systems coming down, so we'll probably see some showers on Saturday. The showers will become more prevalent on Sunday, especially in Scotland, where we do have quite a risk of hail and thunder. Monday, possibly a repeat performance, and on Tuesday things start to settle down, particularly from the southwest of the country, and gradually settling down throughout the country towards the end of the week. If we go into detail there and just show you the weather board, that's today, and certainly on the west coast of Scotland and of England, Wales, southwest England, Northern Ireland, we're looking at rain as this active front pulls through with some gales on the coast, maybe up to 50 miles an hour, the gusts will be, but it will move through in the evening, late afternoon, the evening should brighten up in Scotland, but not so down south. But I think we hold on to the rain down south, and it may well interfere with play at Wimbledon, although I reckon it's going to be very warm, maybe 27, 28 degrees today down south before that cold front pushes through. Tomorrow, Saturday, the rain belt has cleared up and went into the showery regime that I'm talking about. Not so many showers on Saturday, I feel. It could be quite a pleasant day. This here is central Scotland and the Glasgow area. On Saturday I think you'll see quite a lot of sunshine in Ayrshire, for example, and in the Glasgow area. A few showers developing. If you catch one, it might be quite punchy. You'll certainly notice it, but the probability is quite slim. Most places will stay dry and sunny. And the sun index responding nicely up to about 6. Still some pretty strong winds about, particularly in the morning, and further north and west you go, the stronger those winds are. The rain is lingering on Saturday in the eastern counties of both Scotland and England, so maybe giving a little bit of a wet start to Wimbledon on Saturday. But the sun, I'm hopeful, will come out, and the temperatures responding quite nicely again, possibly up as high as 25 degrees in the southeast generally on Saturday. On Sunday, here comes those showers in the north and west of Scotland and north-west England, and many places actually prone to some really lively showers, hail, thunder, possible for sure. The temperature range, 10 degrees would be your minimum at night time, so it's a little bit more comfortable for sleeping after having 15, 16, 17 degrees at night. But during the day, the temperature range over the weekend is between 15 and 20 in Scotland. Down south, we're talking about 21 to 23, possibly 25. Those showers then continue into Monday, and again another possibility of some thunderstorms developing. What you find is that the mornings might be quite bright, they might be quite cheery. Clouds bubble up a little bit on the west coast, they blow inland, and that's when you have your big convection showers, your big thunder showers. and then settling down again in the evening. So, you know, this period here, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, bright start, showers bubbling up, possibly thundery, and then settling down again in the evening. The wind's decreasing, as you can see there. The sun index slightly suppressed on Sunday and Monday, still in the high end of the moderate category at 5, so still worth slapping on that sunscreen. It certainly suggested that there will be sunshine in between the showers. By the time we get to Wednesday, things really settling down, particularly over England and Wales, and warming up a little bit as well, and settling down in central Scotland. Thursday should be the best day of the week in Scotland. I'm suggesting central Scotland will see 20 with a clear sky. That would be very nice indeed. Although of course there's going to be moments of clear sky right through this coming week, but those showers, particularly Sunday and on Monday, and especially in Scotland, but not exclusively so, will be punchy, will be heavy, will be thundery. No matter what you're doing this weekend, I hope you have a marvellous one, and we'll catch you later on for some sporting weather. Thank you. This is Jason Bryce for Synergy Weather.